Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you guys are new over here, then welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. If you are struggling in English, don't worry, I'm also struggling in English. We will work together in English, we will learn together in English. Don't worry, please watch this video till the end. I will share my experience, my tips, how I am improving in English from day to day my life. So don't worry, let's start. I don't know right now what I am talk because nobody is here to describe to anything. I please don't judge me. Right, so I'm beginner in English. Right now I am drinking water, right, drinking water. This is still glasses, right? This is, I like this cup, that's why bring I brought from market. I like this still glasses. If I put water in this in these cups, the water is so much warm, and that is why I like it. If you want to warm water, if you put warm water, then after that the water is cool. So if you want to warm water, so please bring this like steel cups, and that's why I choose this cup. So I you can see here is the blanket. I am in my room. I am not I am not I I don't eat. Just I'm preparing food. After food is prepared, finished, and then I will eat. I will eat. Did you eat? So if you don't, if you didn't eat, please eat. Food give us energy and boost our energy. So we should try to speak in English whenever you have no to if you have no describe anything. Please, you can try to speak in English. If you try small step, then your speaking speaking mm, um, gone amazing. So don't worry, we should work together. We should every day talk in English. If we try speak in front of mirror, our English will upgrade. Don't imagine you don't think, right? So we should speak in English. So you can see here is a bottle, and this is red pink color is my bottle, and white color is my hair spray. I will spray in my hair. I like home remedy. That is why I bring from market 130 rupees, Nepalese rupees, right? If you want to this, please bring from market. You can bring from market. It has amazing benefit. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like it. If you like it and comment it and judge me, I will improve next video. If please help me. I am beginner in English, that's why I don't know what I am talk. So I am beginner in English. Love you. Bye bye. Have a good day. Have a good day. See you soon. See you next video. Bye bye. Lots of love from me. Bye bye.